Welcome to Technia TV. Arun Bhatia from the Department of Management here to talk about the service recovery. What is service recovery? Service recovery is getting back your lost customers. Lost customers, who are these lost customers? These lost customers are the customers who have been totally dissatisfied and the company has failed to look into their problems, solve their problems, look into the queries, and get things sorted out. So in that scenario, the customer has switched. The company has lost its a good customer, revenue generating customer who had been with them for a long period of time, but because of few difficulties, problems where the company had neglected, the customer has switched. So service recovery means getting back the attempt to get back your lost customers, your dissatisfied customers back to you again. Now the service recovery has 5 logical steps in the service recovery in the process. Number 1, anticipating your customer's needs. Identify what your customer actually wants. He wants quality. He's looking out for quality. He's not just paying something for nothing. He in return he wants something in return. So if it's a quality which the customer is looking at, so no harm in providing the quality. Provide him a better quality. So anticipate your customer's needs. Second is acknowledging their feelings. How he feels when he approaches you. Okay, does he feel good about the organization? Does he feel good when interacting with the people, with the staff of your organization? So you have to acknowledge all those kinds of things. Third is apologizing and owning the responsibility. So in case there has been certain problems, there is no harm in apologizing. There is no harm in saying I'm really very sorry. There is no harm in in accepting your fault and making things right. Then offering alternatives. In case I am not able to provide the best solution, perhaps I could provide an alternative to the existing problem. Last is making amends. Making amends means looking at the alternatives, and trying to make your customer feel better so that he comes back to you with a smiling face. So what I mean to say at the end of, I would like to conclude is that in case the organization wishes to get back to their lost customers, their dissatisfied customers, they have to make all kinds of attempts by analyzing his personal needs, by acknowledging his presence, by apologetic at particular time, even while making some kind of amends, so that the customer keeps on coming back to the organization and he keeps giving repeat orders and the organization always keeps generating revenue. Thank you and keep watching Technia TV.